Right, question 19. Factorise the expression 18x squared plus 27x plus 4 and hence solve the equation 18x squared plus 27x plus 4 equals 0. Now this is a quadratic, okay, with a number in front of the x squared, so there's a little bit more work involved. What you do, of course, because whatever that number is, 18, you write your brackets, two brackets, of course, and put 18x in both of them, okay? And then this multiply add thing over here. Now, it's a bit more work, isn't it, with this sum? Multiply now. It's not that number. What you need to do is, you need to times these together. So 18 times that 4 is, 18 times 4 is 72. And then you need to add up then to give that number there 27. So we need to think of two numbers that multiply to give 72. And 9 and 8. 9 and 8 multiplies to give 72, so I know that one, which makes sense. But of course 9 and 8 won't add up to 27. Now 24 and 3, that comes to mind, that springs to mind. 24 times 3 is 72. And they add up to give 27, don't they? So that's great, that will work. Both positive, and it works. So plus 24 plus 3. Now what you must do with this, a little bit more work, because we've times by 18 there, you need to divide by 18. Okay, you need to sort of pay back, so to speak. You look then in each bracket for common factors. Now in this one, 6, isn't it? 6 goes into both of them. Okay, so 6 open bracket, 6 times 3, yeah, 6 times 3x gives you 18x. 6 times 4 will give you 24. Any factors in here? Yeah, 3, isn't it? So 3 times 6x gives you 18x, and 3 times 1 will give you 3 all over 18. And what you'll find is then, if you've done this right, the 18 will cancel with this 3 and the 6, okay, because 6 times 3 is 18, so they cancel, and you're left with these two brackets here, okay. And then it says, hence solve the equation equal to 0. So what we'll do, we'll put this equal to 0, and when this is equal to 0, and instead of putting this to 0, this is the same as this, so put it equal to 0. When this is equal to 0, you've got two brackets equal to 0. So either the first one equal to 0, or the second one equals 0. And you just got to solve this then. So take the 4 over, so it becomes minus 4. And then take the 3 over, so it becomes minus 4 thirds, okay, which is minus 1 and 1/3. And the same here then, 6x, take the 1 over, so it becomes minus 1, and then x will equal minus 1/6. Job done. Okay, part B says factorise this here. Now remember with this, again, you know, you've got a quadratic going on here with the x squared, but there's no middle term, okay, and then you've got an end term here, which is just y squared, so you've got two different letters. But remember that idea of difference of two squares? This is the square, isn't it? 64 is a square number, x squared is a square number, y squared is a square number. So 64 x squared is just 8x all squared, isn't it? If you think about it, if you square that. And y squared is just y squared, y all squared. So what you do is you write 8x and y, and you put plus in one and minus in the other. Okay, that always works. Do FOIL on it and you get back to this. It says then, hence simplify this. So we're going to use this answer. If you notice, this here is just what we've got here. So we're going to use that answer. So we'll have 8x plus y, 8x minus y on the top instead, all over 8x minus y. And you notice that this bracket here is identical to this bracket. Still cancel, so you're left with 8x plus y.